Good morning. We having breakfast now. Level 56. Now we're going to Marina Bay Sands and we're going to the observation desk. Cost us $54 for 3 people. 12,400 meters high.
We gonna take it, 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 gonna take it.
Artlist.io.
Flamingos, the tallest flamingo species. They can grow to a height of 5 feet or 1.5 meters.
Have you wondered why flamingos?
But they can run for long distances. The crest of hair down their back. Female lions in the wild do the hunting. Then they wait impatiently for leftovers while the male eats his fill. If the pride has already eaten, they may be lounging or sleeping. Lions sleep up to 2.
Looking for food. Sloth bears are noisy eaters that suck ants and termites out of insect mounds.
Images of lions everywhere, including a merlion with a lion's head and the body of a fish. A legend tells of Prince Sungila Utama, who named this city Singapore, or Lion City, because he saw a lion when he first...
And horses. The tapir's flexible trunk helps it to sniff out shoots and leaves and guides them into its mouth.
Tapirs are solitary creatures that communicate by whistling. Their black bodies have a white saddle around the midsection. These markings don't jump.
In a tight-knit group with a strong hierarchy, the entire pack works cooperatively to hunt deer
and mobile devices. Thank you.
Rescued as an orphan near the Chawang River, which inspired his name. His offspring include both Sangwira as well as his newest daughter Neha.
The animal keepers at Night Safari observe each elephant, rhino, antelope mating season. Hunters covet these.
We're gonna bring our heads up. We're gonna bring our heads up. I'm